Are you from Awka or you are in Awka and you're looking for an affordable estate to buy and build your home and still have access to the town and the facilities in the Awka Capital Territory? You shouldn't miss out. Bethel Court Estate is an estate you don't want to miss. You can see people are developing already. So if you want to be part of this development here in Awka Capital Territory, I have this zeal to push my people to develop our own states. So if you're looking to start investment here, you can reach us with the number somewhere on the screen by the end of this video to get started. Okay, thank you very much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.